Hello guys! Good morning! Happy Tuesday! Tuesday na siya guys. Manang rest day guys. Ang holiday. Back to school na po. 3 days rest day.
Shane's birthday yesterday, that's why. Okay. I'm tired. Jeez. Yeah.
Ay ganito ang nang uwan guys. Where's my umbrella?
There.
Oh.
Shane's like drink for the right. Bye guys. Bye.
Bye guys! Thank you for watching! Bye! Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share!